Beautiful Saturday evening here with Moses, the beautiful Great Pyrenees puppy that we got here recently. And here is Sybil, the beautiful but mean Nubian milk goat. And here is the beautiful Bethany, beautiful but mean wife of mine. And here is the rest of the crew. And this is oh so pregnant Elsa Iris Parsons. And there is Frost shaking her head. I need to look in her ear and see if something's wrong. And that is Junebug off of that's named after Johnny Cash's wife, June. And that is Moon. And that's the crew out here with us today, here at the pond. This is our personal small pond on our small 13-acre place that we have. I like to call it a ranch. Some people call it a farm. Some people call it a wannabe. I don't know what they call me, but here's my geese and my ducks. And let's see if we can get them a little closer. And that's, of course, the signature Bonnie and Clyde on the geese. And I never named the ducks, so that's it. I got the ducks when they was grown, and just got them at a real good price, so I got them. I've had the geese since they was babies, and they like to think they're running this show. And they would love for me to have a handful of corn right now. What? Moon shaking her head there again. And her and June, her and Frost both, I need to look at their ears. Here in just a minute. There's Sybil. She's very beautiful and very mean, a lot like my wife. Very beautiful, very mean. Very beautiful, very mean. I would have to, I'm dead set on, she had twin babies. We lost one to tetanus. I didn't know when I got them that mama hadn't had the CDT shot. I thought she had. And she didn't. And this is her baby, and her other baby didn't make it, which was Haybell. Put me in a state of depression when I lost the baby, but hey, you win some, you lose some. Don't like losing though, especially something beautiful like these beautiful goats. And yeah, he's a muddy mess. He was beautiful when we put him out here. We've been trying to train him, had a lead on him the last couple of weeks, and walking him through here and trying to teach him a thing or two. And today we have let him off the lead to roam on his own. And now he's a muddy mess. This is the one, the only, the Moses. Say hey, Moses. 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 Say hey. Moses. Say hello, Moses. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Come on, Moses. And there's some. They have cleaned every limb they can get to off them trees, which is evidently good for them. I'm glad they're doing it because I didn't want them trees anyway. I've had cleaned off a lot of this property. When I bought it, there was trees all the way up at the side of that bank. You couldn't even see the pond from the house. There's my house, and there's the pond, but you could not. I would sit on the back porch there. That you can barely see the back porch. I'd sit on the back porch and you could not see the pond, so we got out here with a bush hog and some trimmers and cleaned this place up some.
Look at Sybil.
Yeah.
They want that green off of it. They done ate the green off the bottoms, hadn't they?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they cleaned them off. They cleaned some of them completely. You see that tree there?
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll get them. It's good for them too. It's a natural.
Got a big part.
It's a natural wormer.
Look at her. Look at Sybil with that big old piece.
Mm-hmm.
She's wanting her mom to share and she won't. How does that not hurt their mouth?
Frost there is still, she hadn't even weaned yet. And she's big. I mean, for to be born, what, December the 26th? The day, either 24th, 26th, the day before or the day after Christmas. And she's what? January, February, March. She's 2.5 months old. I mean, she's a monster. She's a big girl. This one here, this is my most recent goat. I got her. She is a very slim, which I started to, I didn't like that, but I'm trying to put some meat on her. I'll just say that. I'll just keep it short. I'm trying to get the meat on her. I've done some center.
Zach, look at Sybil.
She's gonna get it.
I want to get a picture. If she won't get down.
She's mean, but boy, she's a smart goat too. She's the, of course, she's the boss. She's the boss of the herd. Some big old horns probably the reason. Which we got 2 goats with horns. We got Junebug there with horn. Well, she can't help it. She gotta go. She gotta go.
Quit.
But anyway, this is how we do it on the farm, Parsons Farm. And old Moses he's so lonesome he could cry. Hear that lonesome whippoorwill. Moses, what's wrong with you, big boy? He's tired. He's been running all day long out here. We let him loose in the field for the first time. And him's tired. Anyway, I don't mean to bore y'all to death. I'm just gonna, there she is. My wife definitely thinks it's interesting. So we'll watch this for just a second. She's gonna get that limb. She's gonna get it. Oh, she's gonna break it. She'll break it if she has to. She's gonna get it. Oh, she got a little bit. But I done fecals on all the goats and everything come out really good. I'm really proud to hear that. Just got to get some weight on Moon and she's funny. She got it. Piece by piece. But anyway, I'm Zach and this is Bethany and we're going to sign off for the day. Say hello, Bethany.
Go ahead.
Okay, that's
I told you not to.
close enough, close enough. All right, peace.